Alright guys, we are here filming in the beautiful San Francisco, California, and
my name is Victor, and I'm trying to learn a heel flip today.
And Victor just ran up out of nowhere, and he said, Aaron, let me take a picture with you. And I said, let's skate, where's your board? He's like, I don't have my board. So you're from Los Angeles.
Yeah.
Okay, and you've been skateboarding for how long?
For 1 year already.
1 year?
Yeah, 1 year.
Okay, so the first step to this is all the tricks that you already know.
Yeah.
We're gonna start out with ollie. Let's see your ollie.
But,
Oh yeah, boy. Oh, you got a good ollie.
Thank you.
How did you learn that?
I've been like trying to practice, like trying to do it stationary, but then I've been like holding on to stuff, but then I got in like the fear away, so I just let go and then I just committed.
You just did it. Okay.
I just did it.
Good, I love it. Next trick, frontside 180.
All right.
So you're gonna turn your upper body first, then your legs. Yeah, you got it.
Like that?
Yeah.
Damn.
You've done that before.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say you must have. Okay, keep your knees bent and land and roll away.
Oh,
Yeah, you got it. Gotta get your timing right. Make sure you hit the back tail on the ground. Do an ollie.
damn. And plus it's cold.
Yeah, you got it. Stay on there. Just leave your feet on.
It's just a little cracks.
Oh yeah, the little cracks. Don't let the cracks mess you up. Yeah, there you go. Okay, when you do your 180, you're leaning really heavily that way, and your weight is very far on your toes.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to correct that by leaning back the other way. But also there's a little bit of slant here. So I think if you do it this way, you're gonna land. Good.
Like that?
You did land. Very good. You were still very heavy on your toes, as you can see. But good, that was a land. You know what's next?
Heel flip.
No, backside 180.
I
Heel
hate
flip
those.
is not next. Backside 180.
Well, right now I can't do no backside.
What in the world? Okay, first of all, I did not expect you to do a full back 180. You did. You're like, I can't do a backside 180.
And I did it.
You did it. Okay, run it back. This time, knees bent a lot. Like, just bend your knees, bend your hip a lot more, bend. Yeah, you're standing very straight up and down. You need to be way more bent. Here, watch me, like, bend,
Yeah.
pop up, still bent, still bent. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, you know why you're falling? It's because you're landing with your feet real close together. Spread them out, land with a good wide base. You want to have your feet wider than your shoulders, ideally. You got it. Yeah,
Oh,
that was good. He's just chucking it. He's just,
it's just
he's just
hard.
throwing it.
It's just hard.
This is LA style. Yeah,
Like that?
just like that. That was good. Okay, I'm gonna go get my back.
All right.
Yeah, that was good.
It's so cold.
It's so cold. Keep your front foot on there. There it is.
Keep on falling.
There it is. Okay, so you're turning really heavily,
Yeah.
and then you're landing with your upper body really far that way, and you need to be back. Shift your weight to your back foot when you land. Yeah,
Like that?
just like that. There you go. Is that your first ever back 180?
Yeah, my first ever backside 180.
Okay, that was sick. That was very sick. You know what trick is next?
What?
He's like, I'm not saying heel flip again. Shove it is next.
Ah, shove it.
Can you do that?
I mean, kinda. Kinda.
Bodied.
I've fallen so much in my life.
These are the same pants I used to wear.
These?
Yeah, it's like as baggy as money can buy. Yeah, you got it.
How do you keep it like still?
So the key to this trick is your front foot stays on the board as much as possible. Because what's happening is your board wants to go like that and wants to turn. But if your front foot is flat, it can't turn. So a good practice step for this is you can go like this and leave it on. Step off with your back foot, leave your front foot on. Yeah,
Like that?
leave your front foot really close to that board. Yeah, good. Now, just simply put your back foot on. You just bend your knee, put your back foot on. Yeah, there you go.
What the hell? That works.
Yeah, there you go.
It's just the cracks.
Complaining about the cracks. It's in LA.
I know.
There you go.
Oh.
That was good. Okay, I don't know if you got this next one. It's front shove.
Oh, front shove.
If he lands it first try, I'm gonna be amazed. Oh boy.
Oh, barely.
He does got it. I'm never saying that again. Okay, you do. You got it. I'll do front drive, get my back.
I got you.
Wow.
Ooh.
I guess I know who can't do it now. It's me. We'll try it again. What?
Ooh.
Same thing. Leave your front foot close to the board so it doesn't spin.
I got you.
There we go. Yeah, you got that. Okay, now, do you got a kickflip?
These are my kickflips right now.
Yeah, you do got a kickflip. You do got a kickflip, don't he?
But how do I keep it like on top of me though?
The best practice step for this is really this right here. You're gonna step off with your back foot knowingly and stay close to it. I think your flick position is pretty good. Try it again so I can see.
Like
yeah, okay. I'm gonna draw a line for you on the grip tape. It's gonna go right there. And your front foot, your toe is a little bit like that.
Yeah.
I want you to move it a little more like that. We can practice this even standing still. Just go drag, and then right here go like that.
Flick.
Front foot on,
flick.
toe. Yeah, and then, but the thing you're missing here is it goes like this, and then right here, that is the motion that flicks it. It's
So,
like that.
So like you're supposed to flick it with your ankle.
With your ankle up, yeah. There you go, ankle up, ankle up. Yeah, right there. Do it 5 more times. This is practice step. 1, okay, give me another one. 2, that was good. And 5, now do a kickflip. Oh, stop!
5.
Let's go, that's how you kickflip.
And now what?
Derek's like, why did it take me so long?
So now what? Heel flip?
Now we can heel flip.
Ooh.
I suck at heel flips though, I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, so that thing that I did with the kickflip is the same thing for the heel flip, except for now we're going that way. So it's gonna go up, and then right here it's gonna go like that.
Boom, then boom.
Yes, yeah, and you can kind of feel like it's sort of flicking right there,
Yeah,
but it
I feel
actually
it.
where like when I do a bunch of heel flips, I get a hole right there. So it's like, boom.
Oh, so you're supposed to flick with this ball.
Yeah, but
like the ball.
It almost feels like it's like the ball of your foot.
Yeah.
But it really is actually your heel. So just do the practice step of just the motion. Boom. Okay, good. Okay, good. Now, what you're gonna do, your back foot is really important to this too. So my back foot is in the back pocket, my front foot is forward, and when I bend down, I sort of push with both feet down into the ground, and it makes the board flex. And it helps because if you pop your board like this, it just goes straight up. When you pop it like this,
it's gonna go to the
it moves this rail forward. So you want that rail to move forward because your foot is going to counteract it, which is going to cause it to flick that way.
I get you.
We're going to go like this. Just do that practice step with the foot. Heel flip can be tricky, especially when you got... Dang, boy! Are you like the most natural born skateboarder in the world or what?
I don't think so, but
yeah, I think you are. Okay, so that was really good. I don't know why your flick is so much better than mine. It's your first day. So do that. The only difference is bend your back knee and land. You can literally land now. What
what the?
Derek, this is man's skate god. That was really good.
Oh,
that was well done. How in the world did he just do that? Yeah,
I just landed it.
So you've never landed that before?
No.
Wow, that's amazing.
You helped me though.
I'm impressed.
Thank you.
Okay, now you know what we say? 2 to make it true.
2 to make it true.
This is either the greatest victory or the world's worst curse. Wow.
Oh,
you seriously
damn.
have a really, really good flick. The heel flip is prime. Yeah.
I keep on leaning back.
You got it. Wow! Derek, what the heck? That was so clean. So good, so caught. Very well done.
That's 1.
Okay, that was good. Wow.
Oh. My toe got stuck.
Yeah, your toe got stuck.
All right, man. It was great meeting you.
Yeah, good meeting you too. That's
And thank
so
you for
fun.
teaching me though.
Yeah, you're welcome. You got a great heel flip. You got a great kick flip. You can go really far on this skateboard.
Yeah.
Never give up. Keep pushing, okay? Okay, it was really
Take
good
care.
to meet you. Bye.
And that's my mom.
That's your mom?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Bye.
All right, that was amazing. I've never taught somebody who was so easily learned it. Just here's how the flick works. Boom. Best heel flip, like actual best heel flip. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.